Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new ice maker machine for countertop, or when you have a little party that you need instant ice right away. So this one offers a self-cleaning function, 26 pounds within 24 hours. Portable ice maker, 9 ice ready in 6 minutes. Compact ice maker with the ice scoop and basket for home use, party, camping, and etc. So they have 3 different colors for you to choose from: matte black, black, and white color. So it gives you 2 options for the ice sizes: small for beverage and the alcohol, large for the liquor and food cooling. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you can check out this item. And I'd like to give a shout out to Geraldine from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it. So here's the product description that I just went over. And here's the user manual guide. So here's the scoop. And here's the ice tray. Here's what's it look like. I guess when this thing floats, it shuts off. There's one more tail I need to remove inside there. It's an on and off slack. Add water, ice fill, power, small size and large size. There's a cooling fan on this side. Another ventilation on the back. I'm gonna pop this up. There you go. And then now I can remove this tape right there. And be sure to remove it. So after you making the ice from those poles, and it's gonna drop down, and then this one is the scooper is gonna scoop this thing, and then push the ice out here to the basket. So yeah, we're gonna give some rinse and then test this out. Okay. Okay, on the bottom right here, this is the drain plug. Okay, you just need to pull it out. Alright, so first time we plug in, the power is going to be flashing green. And if you turn it on, if you didn't add water inside the reservoir, it's going to say add water. And when the ice is full, it's going to show ice full. So with the first usage, we're going to put the water in there. And then after that, we're going to press an on and off button for hold it down for 5 seconds. And it's going to do the self cleaning for 30 minutes. So after that, you can start using it. Alright, so the fill line for the max is right here. So make sure it is below the ice tray, okay? So we're gonna fill some water now. Now I'm going to press power and hold it down for like 5 seconds. And now it's going to do the self-cleaning. Alright, so I just finished 30 minutes self-cleaning. And now it's back to the power with the flashing LED. Now we're going to go to the sink and then drink the water out. And now we're going to put more fresh water to make some ice now. Alright, so we're going to press power. And we're going to leave out the large ice. If you want to make a small one, you can press the select button. And adjusting to the small size. I'm going to change back to the large size. So it's getting ready to make the large size now. So let's come back within 6 minutes. Wow, that's pretty fast. Ooh, look at that. Nice. So I'm not sure what happened to that one because I probably playing with the small size and then a large size. But 2, 4, 6, 7 looks good. That one looks, maybe that's a small size and then large size. When I was messing with the size. Anyway, we're gonna come back. So apparently I mixed some small size. So you got the difference. The top one is small one, and then also the large size. Okay, small, large. All right, so this is the third time it's finished. Now with lots of ice. Go and then get some drink. Alright, cheers. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, and be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.